No cap, girl, you know you a real one. You can call me whenever you need some. You hold it down for me whenever I need some. You a vibe, baby, I don't wanna leave ya. And I just wanna rock.
Okay. Hey y'all. So, yeah. This is a random video, so I hope you guys like it. So, it's like, let me see, 12:30 in the morning. And I'm up. I don't know why I'm up. I'm just up. I don't know. Like, I've been home for like going on. I think this is my third week being home. Third or second? I think it's third. It's been almost a month that I've been home due to this coronavirus. And I don't know, my sleep schedule just off. Like right now, I'm really tired and I'm not sleeping. I usually don't go to sleep till like 3 or 4 in the morning. So boom, I thought, well, makeup makes me happy. It makes me feel therapeutic. So maybe if I do some makeup, I'll fall asleep. Probably not. I'm probably gonna finish this video around, if I stop running my mouth, around like 1 a.m. And I'm probably still not gonna go to sleep till 3. So yeah. Welcome to my late night shit show. I don't really have a specific look that I am going for. I honestly really don't know what I'm gonna do. So just bear with me. Thumbs this video up and yeah, let's get started. Oh, before I really get started, as you can read by the title, I had some lip gloss sent to me, so I will be showing off these new lip glosses. This packaging is super cute. So disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm doing this because I want to do it. Point blank period. So yeah, these were sent to me, and yeah, I wasn't paid to say anything good about the company, so you'll be hearing my honest opinions. So let's get to this makeup. So it came in this cute little packaging, and it came with a business card. Isn't this so cute? The company is Jasiri Beauty. I hope I said that right. So I was given a Butterbalm, which I already put on my lips. This one thing I can say about this, whoever packaged it, girl, because even I put it on, screwed the top back on, and I still can't get it off. It's tight, so that's good. Okay, well, I can't get it open right now, but the Butterbalm is really good. It helped keep my lips soft so they wouldn't dry out while I was doing my makeup, and it was pepperminty. So what I'm gonna do, I got sent 3 full size of glosses and 2 mini ones. So I saved this one for last because I already felt like it was going to be my favorite, and it is. So I'm so upset that it's in this little tube, but I got these for free, so can't be picky. What I will say is I love these. Okay, like, I didn't expect them to be bad. It's lip gloss, so I already expected it to be good, but it was way better. It was way better than I expected it to be. The consistency is really smooth. It's way smoother than my favorite lip glosses that I get from the beauty supply store, because those are usually like really thick and sticky. But this, I don't know if they put oil in them. I'm gonna have to ask the creator, but it feels like they put an oil in it, so you get that nice gloss consistency, but it makes your lips really, really soft. And they all smell like candy. And they're affordable. If I'm not mistaken, I was given a coupon code, so I will make sure that I put that in the description along with the names of the stuff. And y'all, it's now 2 in the morning. Remember I told y'all I wanted to be done with this video at 1. It's now 2, so please excuse me because I'm really tired, but I'm probably still not gonna go to sleep. Anywho, I will link the names of the glosses down below, as long as she gave me a list of like the description, like to the T, like smell like cherry with a hint of, you know, she was really descriptive. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in with me and bearing with me for this late night video, even though when y'all will see this, it's not gonna be late. Maybe it might be late. But yeah, thank y'all for bearing with me, and I will be back with another video very soon. So bye.